Dan, Carhartt, Chesmar, and this is my hoopty. Starting from the top down, we got the ODI red bar ends, the ODI super soft grips. We got the demo suburban bars in chrome, as you people can tell. Assault plus stem. Demolition headset in red. We got these booty Diamondback forks, Odyssey MPEGs, Alienation plain black rim with a TWW tire. We got a premium death trap that's currently in like the stages of being painted. E-clat one-piece seat, broken demolition pedals, fucking 2 hip cranks, Odyssey sprocket, KMC Diamondback fucking crap shit chain, another Odyssey MPEG, Primo, plastic dry side hub guard, Verde Eon back rim laced to a Tom White wall TWW, and a broken fucking bottom bracket. And this is my bike.